Tourism has a very important part where taxi has a major role to play as far as tourism sector is concerned. वारंवार वेगळे वेगळे विषय आसात जे we have been discussing in the past for legacy purpose and which needs to be streamlined. We need to have an aggregator in place and a technology cannot be evaded. हे जेन्ना last assembly session सुद्धा झाला, I have been able to convince all our people in the assembly as far as the MLAs and the ministers are concerned on what we intend going about. तांकां जी इनसेक्युरिटी आसा की ॲप आयलो जाल्यार कितें जातलें. आज आमी म्हणटा वी आर गिविंग यू अ ॲप विच इज युअर ॲप. गोवा टॅक्सी ॲप इज युअर ॲप विच यू वील हॅव, यू वील ओन इट. वी वील ओनली रन इट फॉर यू आनी जे कितें ताजें येता एक्स्ट्रा प्रॉफीट वील बी गिवन बॅक टू देम ओनली. ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट इज अ रेग्युलेटरी बॉडी which will run this particular part, having everybody onboarded, and we will ensure that जे problem face झाल्या टुरिस्टांक जाल्यार it is not an aggregator only for tourists but also for local public which are basically using this for transiting from point to point. तुझी आता बायल एक समज घरातल्यान मार्केटात वचून परत येवंक जाय, she can use the aggregator and use a taxi. आता गोवा माइल्स they have had their own inhibitions पयलीं, although it is a very good app and operating well, they have their own issues. Today we are saying whether it's North Goa Association, South Goa Association, Yellow or Black Taxis, everybody let it have their own app. That is what they had asked for. We are giving them the same thing. IT department has already done the app and along with transport, which will be the owner of this app and will be the person to run this app. We will support them to ensure this because end of the day we need to ensure that tourism survives and tourism goes in the right manner and people carry proper experiences. हांव म्हणना टॅक्सीवाले वायट काय बरें ते, हांव म्हणना पूण दोग जाण जे वायट आसता ते 10 जाणांची नांवां वाट लायता आनी त्या खातीर आमकां आज हांगा आमकां स्वता ए पॉयंट टू पॉयंट ए बी बागाच्यान कांदोळे 4,500 रुपया लायले असले जेन्ना मेल येवंक लागता एज फार एज टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंट इज कन्सर्न, हाव डू वी फेस इट एंड हाव डू वी टेल इट. आमकां मेल्स येतात आनी ताज्या खातीर अदर देन सोशल मिडिया विच इज बिकम अ टूल वी हॅव टू अंडरस्टँड वी आर कॉम्पिटींग विथ अदर स्टेट्स एंड वी हॅव टू बी इन दॅट कॉम्पिटेटीव रेंज एंड एग्रिगेटर इज अ मस्ट. म्हाका दिसता माविन एंड हांवें बसून वी हॅव डेलिबरेटेड ऑन हाव थिंग्स नीड टू बी एंड वी नीड टू टेक केअर ऑफ आवर गोवन टॅक्सीवालाज ऑल्सो. सो एन्श्युरिंग दॅट इट इज देअर ॲप. सो जो ॲप आता आमी घेवन येता ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट लॉन्च करता एम्बिशियसली ऑन 19th of December. I think we will be able to give Goa an app which will take care of our Goa taxi fellows who always have been feeling की आनी कितें हाडला काय म्हणून. सो तांचो ॲप तांकां चलोवपा खातीर हो ॲप तांकां मेळटलो.